So Kyle's going to show us how to properly don the harness. First thing he's going to do is going to take the harness by the back D-ring. He's going to shake the harness out and ensure his leg straps and all the straps are properly out. They're not twisted up and tangled up in each other. Now before he puts any of his straps on, tightens anything up, especially us guys, everybody, we want to make sure we take everything out of our pocket. We shouldn't have anything in our pockets. That's going to become a puncture hazard, especially us guys. It's going to cause amputations. Next thing he's going to do, he's going to grab his leg straps and he's going to don his leg straps. Once he gets them nice and snug, you don't want them tight enough where they're cutting off circulation, but you want them nice and snug. After he gets these on, we're going to show how to properly inspect if you have a good fit on your leg straps. So what Kyle's going to do now is he's going to stick his hands down in between the straps. If he could put both hands through and not make a fist, then he's got a good fit. If you make a fist, they're too loose, just tighten them up a little bit. You're going to make sure you put all your extra away. You want to make sure it's put up in this little clip. If it's too long, it comes with where you can fold it back into itself, but we want to make sure all these straps doesn't become something you can be caught on. He's going to buckle his chest strap. These chest straps are really easy to adjust. You want to make sure you have a good fit. You can pull them up and down, but you want to make sure for us guys that middle of strap is perfectly in line with the nipples. On ladies, you'll take your thumb, put it on your sternum, and go a fist up, and the strap will be a fist up above your sternum. You want to make sure that all these straps are good and snug, that you can't get in here and turn your hand sideways. So that's a good fit there. You'll turn back around. You want to ensure that the D-ring is in between the shoulder blades. All you have to do is get some help, get someone to come in and help adjust your shoulder strap and get it so it's down between your shoulder blades. If you can't get a proper fit, if it's down low, if it's up high, make sure you get a friend. Turn around. Make sure that your chest strap isn't too loose. Make sure your front straps aren't too loose. If these front straps are extremely loose, you fall, this is going to turn this chest strap into a noose and it's going to choke you out. If your D-ring is way too low, when you fall, you're going to flip upside down and be hung upside down. So donning this harness properly is very important. Get help. Make sure that you have the proper fit. If you can't reach and you can't get this stuff on properly, get the help to get it on correctly.